There are two types of developers: the ones who have been coding for 3 years and are actually good, and the ones who have been coding for 3 years and are still Googling how to center a div. Same hours. Very different results. The difference isn't talent. Most people learning to code are doing what feels productive: watching tutorials, reading docs, following along with courses. None of that is actually practice. That's just consuming content with extra steps. There's a concept called deliberate practice. Anders Ericsson spent his career studying elite performers and found one thing separates the good from the great. Not hours, not IQ, just the quality of how they practice. Uncomfortable, targeted, just above your level reps. The tutorial trap is real. You watch someone build a project, you feel like you understand it, and then you open a blank file and your brain goes completely empty. That feeling isn't a skill issue, it's a feedback issue. Feedback is the whole game. The faster you find out you're wrong, the faster you get better. Waiting 3 days for a code review is practice. Getting an error message immediately is better practice. Building something that breaks in production is somehow the best practice. The move is simple, and people avoid it because it's uncomfortable. Take something you just learned, close every tab, build it from scratch without looking anything up. You will fail. That failure is the rep. Reading other people's code is criminally underrated. Not tutorials, not YouTube. Actual production code bases on GitHub, the ones written by people who get paid well. Your brain starts absorbing patterns it didn't even know existed. Contributing to open source used to sound intimidating. Now it just sounds like free mentorship. You write code, a senior dev tells you exactly what's wrong with it in public with no chill. That's worth more than any bootcamp. The other thing nobody talks about: rest. Ericsson's studies on elite performers found they slept around 8 hours and napped regularly. Your brain is literally consolidating information while you sleep. Grinding until 3 a.m. to push a feature is farming bad code, not skill. The AI angle is interesting here though. Using AI to generate solutions while learning is just cheating yourself out of the reps. The Anthropic study showed developers who used AI during learning scored 50% on tests. The ones who didn't scored 67%. The gap was in debugging. It's always in debugging. AI is a rubber duck though? Different story. Explain your problem to it, ask it questions, don't just take the answer. That's actually a faster feedback loop than Stack Overflow. Pattern across every developer who got good fast is the same. They built real things with real stakes, not to-do apps, something they actually cared about. Motivation is not a personality trait, it's a design choice. 3 hours of focused, uncomfortable, feedback-rich practice beats 8 hours of vibing through tutorials. Every time. Not motivational poster stuff. That's just how skill acquisition works.